In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up eBay automatic bidding. Whether you're new to eBay or just looking to streamline your bidding process, this guide will make sure you know exactly how to place an automatic bid on items you want to win. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to make your way to ebay.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one to participate in auctions. Having an account not only allows you to bid, but also offers you a range of customized features to enhance your shopping experience. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the item you're interested in bidding on. Use the search bar at the top of the homepage to enter a description or keywords related to the item you're looking for. This could be anything from a specific brand of electronics to a unique collectible. Once you've entered your search term, press Search to see the list of available items. With your search results displayed, the next step is essential for targeting items that are listed for auction specifically, as these are the ones you'll be placing bids on. Look for the filter settings on the left side of the page. Here you'll find an option called Buying Format. Click on this option and select Auction to filter your search results. This ensures that you only see items that are accepting bids and eliminates any confusion with items that are listed at set prices. Now that the auction-only items are displayed, scroll through the results and click on the item you're interested in. This will take you to the specific item page where you can find detailed information about the product, including images, descriptions, and the current bid status. Once you've confirmed you want to bid on this item, look for the Place Bid button, usually located towards the right side of the item page. This is where you'll enter the maximum amount that you are willing to pay. The great thing about eBay's automatic bidding system is that you don't automatically start at your maximum bid. Instead, eBay will incrementally bid for you, only enough to maintain your position as the highest bidder, up to your specified maximum. After entering your top bid amount, click on Review Bid. This will prompt another confirmation screen to ensure you're comfortable with the amount you've entered. It's a great opportunity to double-check everything before finalizing. Once you're satisfied, confirm your bid, and you're all set. The automatic bidding system will take over from here, allowing you to sit back and relax. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on setting up automatic bidding on eBay. By following these easy steps, you can participate in auctions with confidence and convenience. Happy bidding, and may you win all the great deals you set your sights on.